Hi, this is Komal from Ashirvad Jaipur. We are back with our heavy collections. Thank you so much everyone for your overwhelming love and response. After looking at your response and queries, we are adding up with a new number today. Now we will be sorting out your queries on two numbers. One is 96022658888, the old one, and the other one is 96490658888. I repeat, 96490658888. I'll post the numbers below the Facebook video page. So I'll start with my first designs. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on this number. This is our first design in melange. See the embroidery. Embroidery is there on the sleeves as well. Mask along with this. Gota detailings on the side slits. We have 4 designs in this, 4 colors. One is this, second one is this grey, third is this blue and green. So we have 4 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $15.95. Now this is a prince cut kurti. Everybody is asking for bigger sizes, so this is 48, 50 and 52. Only 3 sizes in this. Please don't inquire from 38 to 46. We have 48, 50 and 52 only in this. Prince cut kurti. These are the slits. Slit on from the front also. So we have 4 designs in this. One is this. Second one is this. 48, 50 and 52 size available. This is the third design. Again 48, 50 and 52 in this. And the fourth one. And prince cut kurtis. 48, 50 and 52 and the price is $7.95 for all the 4. Now this is a cotton kurta. See the pitta work on the neck. See the good print. Slub cotton it is. See the pants with this. Printed pants. And the dupatta. This is with full dupatta. With gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $14.95. Now this is again a cotton kurta. See the crochet detailings with embroidery in the center. Crochet detailings on the side slits. Tassels on both the sides. Printed pants with this. And full dupatta with this. With crochet detailings. Sizes available are 36 to 44. We have 36 in this. So 36 to 44 and the price is $14.95. Again a printed cotton dress. See the crochet detailings with gota detailings in the center. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the printed pants with this contrast with crochet detailings. And the dupatta. This is again with full dupatta with crochet detailings. We have 2 colors in this. Blue and pink. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $14.95. This is again a cotton kurta. See the gota detailings in the center. See the print. Block print it is. See the block print pants with gota detailings. With chiffon dupatta. This is pure chiffon dupatta with the detailings. We have 2 colors in this, blue and lemon yellow. This is green and lemon yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $16.95. $16.95 is the price. This is again a cotton kurta. See the mirror work with gota detailings in the center. Gota detailings on the side slit. Kalamkari print it is. With contrast pants with Gota detailings. And Kota Doria dupatta. This is stroll dupatta, not full dupatta. See the Gota detailings and the borders. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $14.95. This is again a cotton kurta. See the work on the neck with embroidery and sequence work. Tassels in the center. See the print. Gota detailings on the sleeves. See the pants with this, with Gota detailings. And the printed full dupatta with this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $16.95. $16.95. Again a block print cotton kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. Sequence work. See the beautiful sleeves. These are different sleeves with net and Gota detailings. On the sleeves, on the bottom of the kurta, this is net with Gota detailings. Plain pants with this. And Gota Doria dupatta with this. With Gota detailings. We have three colors in this. One is this pink. Another one is this green. And the third one is yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $16.95. $16.95 is the price. This is again a cotton kurta. See the plastic mirror work. These are not original mirrors. Plastic mirrors with sequence work with embroidery. See the lace at the bottom. These are the printed pants with this. With cotton dupatta. Full dupatta it is. See the cotton printed full dupatta. We have two colors in this. This is pink and we have green also in this. So two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $16.95. $16.95. Again a cotton dress. See the crochet work on the yoke. Crochet detailings on the side slits with Gota detailings. Printed pants with Gota detailings. And pure chiffon dupatta with this. With Gota detailings. See the dupatta. We have two colors in this. Green and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $18.95. $18.95 is the price. Again a cotton suit. See the embroidery on the neck. Bani print it is. See the crochet detailings on the bottom with Gota detailings. These are the plain pants with this. And Kota Doria dupatta with borders. So we have two colors in this again. This is pink and another one is green. Bandi print, two colors. 38 to 44 is the size and price is $14.95. Again a cotton kurta. See the crochet detailings. In this earlier I showed you yellow color. Today I am showing you two new colors. This is a purple one. See the crochet detailings. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the designer kurta. And see the pants with crochet detailings and Gota detailings. With pure chiffon dupatta. Dupatta has also got this crochet detailing. See. So we have two colors in this. Another one is this green. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $21.95. Now this is again a melange sets. See the melange kurta. See the embroidery with real gota work. See the yoke. Work on the side slits. These are the pants with gota detailings. And pure chiffon dupatta. This is a dual shade dupatta. We have 3 colors in this. This is pista green, blue, and yellow. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2395. Now this is in Georgette fabric. See the Georgette kurta with this thread work all over. Thread work is there on the sleeves as well. See the pants. Checks pants it is. This is not plain pants. See the pants. And pure chiffon dupatta with crochet detailings. See the dupatta. We have 3 colors in this. Peach. This is blue, sky blue, and green, pista green. So we have 3 colors in this. And sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. 1895 is the price. Again a melange kurta. See the embroidery with real gota work. Gota work all over the kurta with crochet detailings on the sides. Kurta with gota detailings and pure chiffon dupatta. Dual shade dupatta it is. We have 2 colors in this, mustard and cream. Cream is with pink combination. See. And this is mustard with pink. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2395. Again a melange kurta. See the work on the neck. See the mirror work all over the kurta. Embroidery on the side slits. Pants with gota detailing and crochet detailings on the bottom of the pants. And this is the full dupatta with this. Pure chiffon dupatta again with gota detailings. We have 3 colors in this. Blue, pista green and grey. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2395. This is for 2395. This we have restocked after huge demand. Many people were inquiring for this. We have restocked this, but still we have very few pieces left. So whosoever ever wants to order, please book as soon as possible. See the kurta with pitta work on the neck, tassels in the center, gota work at the bottom of the kurta, plain contrast pants with this, and chiffon dupatta. Chiffon dupatta again with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. 1895 is the price. Now see the kurta. Angrakha style it is. See the gota detailings all over the kurta. Tassels on the sides. See the gota work on the bottom also. These are the plain contrast pants with this. And again chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. See how heavy the piece looks. And such a designer piece it is. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. So 2395 is the price. This again we have restocked after huge demand. See the kurta with gota detailings, crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the printed pants with this, and chanderi dupatta with this. Earlier we had pink in this, now we have made pink and blue. We have two colors in this now. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price with chanderi dupatta. This is again a dress. See the mirror work with embroidery on the top. See the crochet detailings on the bottom. See how flary the dress is. Look at the flare. Printed pants with this and dupatta. This is a stroll dupatta with gota detailings and these tassels. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. Now this is a designer dress. See the kurta. This is full long dress with front slit. See the slit. This is with sharara. See the sharara with this. And pure chiffon dupatta, lehriya dupatta. See the dupatta. So front slit, kurta, sharara and dupatta. This is a heavy dress. 38 to 44 is the size and the price is 2795. 2795 is the price. This is again a peplum kurta with gota detailings in the center. Crochet work at the bottom of the kurta. Sharara with this with gota detailings and crochet detailings. See the flare of the sharara, full fledged sharara it is. And the dupatta. Contrast dupatta. See. With crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2095. 2095 is the price. Now this is a kaftan in lehriya. As this festive season is there, so we are introduced these lehriya kaftans. See the lehriya kaftan with gota detailings on the sides and these laces. Embroidery in the center with real gota work. See the work. We have three colors in this: pink, yellow and peach. So we have three colors in this and the material is pure cotton. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695 is the price. We have pants with this. This is kurta and this is the pant with this. Kaftan with pants and the price is 1695. At the end, the one I'm wearing, see the neck. I'll show you how it looks. This is the kurta with real gota work and embroidery. See the work all over the kurta. Melange fabric pants with this. And pure chiffon dupatta. Tassels also there in the center. Inner is attached with this piece. See, the inner is attached. And pure chiffon dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2495. 38 to 46 and 2495 is the price. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. Please book as soon as possible. Everyone, please, it is a request. Inquire on just one number. Please don't place query on both the numbers. That's why we were not adding another number, but now we are flooded with so many queries that I have to add a new number. But please don't send the screenshots of payments on both the numbers, and don't place query on both the numbers. Thank you so much everyone. Please book as soon as possible.